Oh shit. Oh, look at these frosty flakes. Stay play.
Oh no, the mentors are coming.
Oh no, run, run. Actually looks like Forbidden Forest in Harry Potter as well if you look out into the distance.
Yeah.
Ohayou gozaimasu. For 3 people. Well, I'm going to get one for myself.
No, this. But if it's so bad.
Let's get you one squid.
Wait, it's got to be meat.
Be careful, yeah? It's heavy.
I love banana milk.
Oh, it's so good, isn't it? It's so good. Gozaimasu. Okay.
Magma chamber. Wait, I see the footprints.
No. Wow. So cool. Holy moly. Oh. Check these out.
And mama, left, right.
Yeah.
Feeling very high. It's a lot harder
Yeah.
with a 18-kilo kid on your back. Oh, nice. Inside. Oh, cabin. You can sit on the red chair, Felix, especially for you.
Wow.
That's your chair.
Come on.
Oh my god! Ah! Woohoo! Oh! Oh my god! Bye! Ah! Oh my god!
Okay, then come on.
Ramen.
Oh,
I'm doomed. Yeah? Gumbo. Gumbo.
One hot milk tea.
One milk tea is
One hot cocoa.
on the B16. Okay.
We're sharing, guys.
We're sharing too. These guys shared the soda and it fell on the floor.
You know how to eat the marshmallow? You want to eat that? 枕头这个呀，像那个尾巴。
Oh my goodness. Hello. Hello. This is amazing. Wow, whoa, what a display. Holy moly. Wow, that is a piece of art. It is magnificent. I feel bad digging into it and ruining it, but it also looks so delicious.
Man, or stuck.
Yeah.
There's two. There's two.
No, that's a figure. There's something wrong with the Hey. I got this.
Here?
Yes.
So what does this look like?
What? An ice slide? Oh, let's go. Let's go. 2. Whoa. Whoa. Whee! Did it. Wow.
Put into the
Okay. Not too much, a little bit, yeah.
good. Yeah, I think you should. Okay. It's good. It's okay.
Should be okay.
Sure.
It's stuck to a plate.
And how about chocolate? Oh, cute. Kawaii.
Oh. You actually so hard. You did. That's good.
Chip it off, chip it off.
Good. Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Iced ramen. That's surprisingly tasty for iced ramen. Look at all the ice on it.